kitchen, you singing my favorite song, swinging on the front porch, just laughing at the dogs. I swear you love me more when you're whispering goodnight. All those little moments are every reason why I'm homesick. This feeling that I'm feeling, though we don't quit, it's like half of me is missing. Heaven knows it, that all I wanna do is be alone with your brown eyes. I'm tangled up, just holding on to you tonight until morning. Baby, that's the damn truth. If home is where the heart is, I'm homesick for you. Well, it says Kane Brown on the sign with a line out the door. Sold out some little town I've never been before. Yeah, they're screaming my name. This is what we dreamed about. But out here singing about you, baby, all I'm thinking about is how I'm homesick. This feeling that I'm feeling, no, it don't quit. It's like half of me is missing. Heaven knows it, that all I wanna do is be alone with your brown eyes. I'm tangled up, just holding on to you tonight until the morning. Baby, that's the damn truth. If home is where the heart is, I'm homesick for you. Homesick for you. Yeah. I'm homesick. This feeling that I'm feeling, no, we don't quit. It's like half of me is missing. Heaven knows it, that all I wanna do is be alone with your brown eyes. Is tangled up, just holding on to you tonight until morning. Baby, that's the damn truth. If home is where the heart is, I'm homesick for you. I'm homesick for you. Yeah.
Let's learn Homesick Heart. It's choreographed by Maddison Glover. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Homesick Heart. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to step our right foot to the right side. You're going to touch your left next to your right. We're now going to do a quarter turning shuffle. So you're going to step your left foot to the left side, step together with your right, make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then we're going to do a quarter side shuffle, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side, together with your left, step your right foot to the right side, and you'll be back at 12 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, you're going to cross your left behind your right. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 3 o'clock. We're now going to do locking shuffles. So you're going to step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. We're going to step our right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward. Step forward with your left and do a quarter pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 6 o'clock. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our side shuffle, so you're going to cross behind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a cross-side sailor step. So you're going to cross your left over your right. Step your right foot to the right side. We're now going to do a left sailor step. Cross your left behind your right. Step your right foot out to the side. Step your left foot out to the side. We're now going to weave to the left. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Step your left foot to the left side. Cross your right behind your left. Step your left foot to the left side. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right. You're doing your cross-side sailor. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to cross rock our right over our left. Recover back onto your left foot. And then we're going to do a quarter turning shuffle, stepping your right foot to the right side, together with your left to make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto our right, and you're going to do a left coaster cross, stepping your left foot back, right together, and then cross your left over your right. And that is the end of the dance. You'll start over with your side touch. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your cross rock with your right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it one time through with steps, one time through with counts. Weight is on your left. We're starting with our side touch. So it's side touch, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, quarter shuffle. Behind, quarter, locking shuffle, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, cross. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, stepping to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 12 o'clock facing wall. You're going to dance the full 32 counts, which is up to your coaster cross. You'll be facing 9 o'clock. All you're going to do is make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 12 o'clock as the song starts to fade out. And that is your ending. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to do counts. We're going to dance 4 walls of the dance. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your side touch, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, quarter shuffle. Behind, quarter, locking shuffle, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, cross, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Side touch, quarter shuffle, step, half pivot, quarter side shuffle. Behind, quarter, locking shuffle, step, quarter pivot, cross, side, sailor step, cross, side, behind, side, cross, rock, recover, quarter shuffle, rock, recover, coaster, cross. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn Homesick Heart. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.